Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Marcos from Spota Home, and today I'm gonna show you this one-bedroom apartment to rent in Calle La Gasca, which is right in the heart of the district Salamanca. Here you can find money. You will be surrounded by many fashion brands, luxury restaurants, luxury people as well. This district is well known because of that, like this luxury in here in this Salamanca district. This one-bedroom apartment is just lovely. It's really luminous. The window goes straight to the street, so you have street views, but the windows are wide, so you don't get any noise. Don't worry about it. And it's located in a really nice building with doorman and elevator. You have air conditioner in the living area. You have the bedroom separated from the rest of the house. So if you follow me, I will show it to you. Okay, let's go. This is the main door of the apartment. Okay, it's located on the first floor of this building. And this is the property. Well, it's really cute. Starting from the right, we have the bathroom. Here we have the bedroom, living area, dining area, and kitchen. Let's see, the kitchen is a fully equipped kitchen. You have the fridge with the freezer. Everything is looking really clean and perfectly organized. You have the microwave, the washing machine, and some cupboards in here where you can store your products. Okay, you have a few utilities, like you saw this cutlery in here. This is for the rabbits and your cleaning products. You have this stove, the sink, and this place where you can put your plates and they will be dry. You can store more things here on the top. Let's see what we find. Yeah, you have glasses, dishes. So I don't think you will have to worry about bringing many stuff. You also have this pan, which is great. And that's the kitchen area. Here you can enjoy your creations in this table. And after that we find the living room with this comfy sofa. I'm gonna sit down in here. Well, you have this shelving where you can put pictures, and there you have the air conditioner machine. I'm gonna sit down here in the sofa to show you the views that you will have from here taking a nap. There is the kitchen, what we saw right now. There is the entrance, bathroom, bedroom, and living room. This sofa is great. I think you have space for 1 people, 2 people, and 3 people. Perfect. Apart from that, you have this individual sofa, and in here you can store more things as well, because this apartment is gonna be just for you. So in this chest of drawers you can put, I don't know, the clothes that you don't usually wear, sorry, like in winter you can put your summer clothes, for example. And well, this is the views. As I told you, it's really luminous. If you realize, you have window all over this wall. The closest station will be Serrano, but you have many of them around, like Serrano, Velázquez, even Goya, Retiro. So you can go. You also have many buses connections, so the location is really convenient. Let's see the bathroom before going to the bedroom, because here we have the sink, the toilet, and this shower that you can use as a bath as well. It's a bit small, to be honest, for a bath, but yeah, I think it's space enough. Yeah, why not? Here you have this cupboard. You can put here your beauty products, and this large mirror to check yourself. Okay, so that was the bathroom. And let's go finally to see your bedroom, because it's really cute, it's really cozy. Here you have this double bed, the shelving, this window that gives you natural light. You don't really have views because window is tall, let's say, so unless you are 2 meters high, you don't have views, but it gives you natural light. This is the standalone wardrobe. It's really big, really big. Here you can hang your clothes. you can put things in here as well, and that's you can put there on the top of the wardrobe. You can probably put the luggage, for example. You choose another one in here, and it's spacious enough. It's looking great. Okay, and that's pretty much this apartment, located in Calle La Gasca, with Serrano as the closest underground stations, with many buses connections. And if you like it, you can go now and book it with Spotahome.